How to claim Roblox gift card on mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the Roblox gift card on your mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening a web browser on your mobile. And once you do that, simply tap www.roblox.com/redeem and simply search for that. And if you are not already logged in to your Roblox account, simply sign in to the account where you want to redeem your gift card. Now, locate the pin code on your Roblox gift card and then on the redeem page, simply type the code into the enter pin code field. And once you have entered it correctly, simply tap redeem to proceed. After redeeming your code, simply tap back to redeem to go to the next step. And now tap convert to Roblox and a confirmation window will pop up asking if you want to use your credit to get Robux. Simply tap convert and you will see a message letting you know that the conversion was successful and your Robux will now be added to your account ready to use. And that's it. You have successfully redeemed your Roblox gift card and converted it to Robux. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.